Welcome to week 7. This week our studies move to the topic of vitamins. There are 2 types of vitamins needed by our body to function well. They are water-soluble and fat-soluble vitamins, and we'll be covering both this week. Water-soluble vitamins include B vitamins, which function mostly as coenzymes with vitamin C. Fat-soluble vitamins, which include vitamin A, E, D, and K, all need fat in order to be properly absorbed, metabolized, and used by the body. In addition, you will be taking exam 2, covering chapters 5 through 9, as well as submitting the final diet analysis project. This project utilizes the 3-day intake that you've already completed and submitted last week, and requires you to take this assignment one step further by looking at that intake and drawing some conclusions. There are specific instructions on how to go about analyzing this information and a rubric on what to include. Let me show you that right now. So in our weekly assignments folder, we see this information right here. Lots of details, spells everything out for you. And let's see. There's also a rubric. When you click on the assignment, be sure to check out the rubric. Other details for this week, we can see here there are 4 MindTap assignments. And be sure to take both quiz 5 and exam 2. And then, of course, submit the diet analysis project by the end of the week. Let me know if you need anything, and have a great week.